Module 10, Integrated Pest, Weed, and Disease Management, IPWDM, and Sustainability. Principles of integration, combining multiple control methods for synergistic effects. Ecological and economic rationales for integration, reducing dependency on chemical interventions, enhancing resilience of cropping systems. Monitoring and threshold-based decision-making, regular scouting for pests, weeds, and diseases. Economic injury levels, EIL, and economic thresholds, ET. Use of technology for data collection, drones, sensors, apps. Adaptive management based on observed data, cultural practices for integration, crop rotation, intercropping, and trap cropping, mulching, pruning, and optimal plant density, sanitation and soil management practices, timing of planting to avoid pest and disease peaks, biological control integration, selection and release of beneficial organisms for multiple pests, conservation of natural enemies in agroecosystems, use of biopesticides compatible with IPWDM strategies, monitoring efficacy and ecological impact of biocontrol chemical management. In IPWDM, judicious use of herbicides, insecticides, and fungicides mode of action rotation to prevent resistance, minimizing non-target impacts and environmental contamination. Combining low-dose chemicals with other control strategies. Mechanical and physical methods, hand weeding, hoeing, mowing, and tillage. Soil solarization and flame weeding, targeted application to reduce collateral damage, integration with other strategies for long-term suppression, host resistance and genetic approaches, deployment of disease-resistant and pest-tolerant crop varieties, breeding strategies for multi-pest, multi-disease resistance, combining genetic resistance with other IPWDM measures, economic and environmental considerations, cost-benefit analysis of integrated strategies, assessing long-term sustainability and ecological impact, reducing chemical residues in soil, water, and food, promoting biodiversity and agroecological balance, planning and implementation, developing field-specific IPWDM plans, scheduling and sequencing interventions for maximum effectiveness, training and educating farm workers on integrated practices, continuous evaluation and adaptation of strategies, case studies and real-world applications, successful IPWDM programs in cereals, vegetables, legumes, and horticultural crops. Lessons learned from combining cultural, biological, chemical, and genetic strategies. Practical guidance for smallholder and commercial farming systems. Learning outcomes. By the end of Module 10, you will be able to design and implement integrated pest, weed, and disease management, IPWDM programs tailored to specific cropping systems. Combine cultural, biological, chemical, mechanical, and genetic approaches effectively. Apply monitoring and threshold-based decision-making to optimize control measures. Evaluate the economic, environmental, and sustainability impacts of integrated strategies. Adapt IPWDM practices based on field conditions, emerging threats, and technological advancements.